Hi, I'm Max Leach. Today I'm going to describe the behavior of water surface tension. According to Wikipedia, surface tension is a contractive tendency of a liquid surface, allowing it to resist an external force. Some objects can float on the surface of the water even if their density is higher. This property is caused by the cohesion or sticking together of similar molecules. In the bulk of a liquid, each molecule is pulled apart equally in every direction by neighboring molecules, resulting in a net force of zero. However, the molecules on a liquid's surface have less neighboring molecules, so they are pulled inwards, creating internal pressure. This force allows the liquid to occupy the least amount of space as possible, and gives water at a standstill a flattened look. Surface tension is measured in forces per unit length, and its scientific unit is newtons per meter. Therefore, in order to increase the surface area of a liquid, a quantity of work is needed. The work will be stored as potential energy. Since mechanical systems try to optimize by finding a minimal amount of potential energy, a free drop of liquid naturally takes a spherical shape, which has minimum surface area for a given volume. I am going to demonstrate how to change the surface tension of a glass of water with a pinch of a hand soap. This interaction changes the surface tension of the water because of the properties of the soap. Dishwasher soap is known as a surfactant because it contains a hydrophobic group and a hydrophilic group. The hydrophobic group contains a tail which is water insoluble and a head which is water soluble. When I touch my soap finger to the water, the oil-based water-insoluble component of the soap immediately pushes itself to the edge of the glass. Surface tension has a force, or an energy that is consistent between the liquid's molecules. I'm going to call this surface energy. So we know that surface tension acts to reduce the total surface area, and in this example, the soap on Veronica's finger changes the surface tension of the water. And the oil component of this soap rushes to the edges so rapidly that it carries all of the pepper with it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Veronica Petrova. Around week 28 of gestation, pneumocytes type 2 begin the production of surfactant. The role of this substance is to decrease surface tension in the lungs and prevent the alveoli from collapsing. One of the most common complications among premature babies is the decreased production of surfactant and lack of full development of the lungs. In order to account for the maturity of the lungs, physicians often test the lecithin sphingomyelin ratio, which if less than 2 signifies lung immaturity. In order to speed up the production of surfactant and thus lung development, mothers are given steroids while babies are administered artificial surfactant.